I was very happy to note that all the friends whom I have invited for today's review meeting have attended the meeting where we have discussed at length the steps through the presentation from the government that have been taken for all this 1 month from the first day of the lockdown in the state. And we are aware that the government also has taken a lot of actions on the various fields of attention which is needed by the government to ensure that the people at the ground level of the entire state need not to suffer, and to ensure that we are giving them full support. That whatever we are doing as the legislators, we are trying the best we could for the benefit of those people of the state. And also I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to all the legislators whom I have addressed on the 19th of March to work closely with the district administrations at their constituency levels to ensure that whatever shortcomings which are there at the constituency level, the need for the people at the constituency level has to be attended immediately without delay.
The most important message of this meeting is that we as political leaders and as legislatures are united in this fight, and that we will work together as a team to ensure that we take all the steps and measures required to ensure that our people and our state is safe. Friends, having said that, I think it's also very important to know that government has taken different steps. We had a long presentation on all those details, but obviously there are a lot of areas which we can improve on. And a part of this meeting was also to really broaden the discussion and understand and take suggestions from everyone. And we're very happy because it was a very constructive meeting we had, where a lot of constructive points were brought forward and suggestions were brought forward, and we've taken note of all the suggestions. And obviously there are constraints in everything that we do. So with those limited constraints that are there, every aspect will be scrutinized, and we will try to improve on every suggestion that has been mentioned by all the members who are present here today.
And we had a very constructive suggestions coming from a number of panelists, number of members who attended. And our speaker also has said that he would have invited more analysts, but because of the necessity to ensure social distancing in such meeting, and we must also demonstrate that we practice what we preach. And therefore, we are representing all our colleagues in the House of 60. And whatever is considered important for the government to take cognizance of has been shared here. And we firmly believe that we move ahead. For the foreseeable challenges, we must be prepared collectively as a state. And we must collectively also engage in creating the necessary reassurance to build up confidence amongst the people. Because there has been lots of situations where people have been asking lots of questions. There are lots of questions circulating in the social media, etc. So those have been discussed, and how to really reach out to people. Government has met a number of, I must say, the comprehensive measures, and we only supplemented. I'm thankful to the Chief Minister and his team.